The Makita XLC02ZB Cordless Vacuum is a versatile and compact cleaning tool designed to tackle various surfaces with ease. It features a powerful suction capability that ensures efficient cleaning in a short amount of time. With its bagless two-stage cloth filtration system, users can enjoy hassle-free cleaning and quick debris disposal. The vacuum's ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, even in hard-to-reach areas. Its compatibility with Makita's expansive 18-volt lithium-ion battery system means less downtime and more productivity. The redesigned floor nozzle enhances maneuverability, allowing for improved debris collection on different floor types.